let me say that because we are hiring more teachers this year, immediately we will absorb 25 of the 40 teachers. And then we will absorb the balance later in the year. So please present the list of 25 teachers to the CS for Education, and we will facilitate their employment immediately. We have also worked with our TVETs and universities. We had a serious crisis of the funding model that we had in that space. And today, we have changed the funding model so that it doesn't focus on the institution, it focuses on the student, so that we can tailor-make funding for every student depending on their ability or the ability of their parents and guardians to support them, and to ensure that no child is left behind. And that has made us increase the budget for education from 500 billion shillings in 2022 to 702 billion this year. And in the proposed budget, we have 767 billion for the year 2026-2027. And it is because I have said we do not treat money spent educating our children as an expenditure. We treat it as an investment. And I will continue to spearhead the process of making sure that every learner has space to learn, resources for the learning, teachers, and all the other facilities that are necessary.